How to get started.
Thank you all for being so wonderful. And it's called Help. 1, 2, 3, 4. Help! I need somebody. Help! Not just anybody. Help! You know I need someone. Help!
My eyes are open. I don't like what I see. Somebody's getting my action. Someone other than me. When I kiss you.
Monday is becoming it's becoming my favorite day. That when Mondays start good, when I get done everything that I've planned for today, then my whole week goes smoothly. This is a video that I wanted to make for a very long time. Some of the reasons why people do not start a YouTube channel. And I guess this can be applicable to any parts of life, any goals, anything you do. Alright, so step number 1, you need to have a camera, they need to have equipment, they need to have the editing tool, the computer, the cell phone. Don't get me wrong, I feel that way. I feel that way lots of times. I felt that way actually. Right now, this morning, I actually feel that way. I had this feeling that in order to make this video, I needed to have another tripod, which I already have a tripod, but I needed to have an extra tripod. Does that make sense? Just look at this. You see, this is my projector, as you can already see that. That is the tripod I used to use for this camera. Now I'm using it in order to be able to watch movies and stuff like that. And in order to record this video, I'm using my drone case, my suitcase, to put the camera. It sounds stupid, but I almost didn't do this video, I almost didn't record this video, because I thought that this is what I needed in order to be able to do it. Well, I need to buy a new one. So I think that we put these ideas in our head that we need to have a specific things in order to do something, and most of the time, almost 99.999% of the time, you don't need a new computer, you don't need a new camera, you don't need anything. As a matter of fact, as long as you have a cell phone and you can record any footage, you can make a video. You can go to a library which gives you free internet and upload the video that you made. You can go through the browser on your phone and edit the video, edit the title, edit the description, add the tags. Unconsciously, we sabotage ourselves, believing that we must have XYE item in order to be able to record a video, start a business, do whatever thing you wanted to do today, and at the end of the day we actually end up doing nothing. Reason number 2 is we have our expectations way too high. Yes, there is a guy out there who I'm not gonna mention, or I'm not gonna say names, who has 60 million subs. There is another guy out there that has close to 9 million subs. There is another stupid idiot, I'm not gonna say name, that has close to 16 million subs. Yes, they do have fancy equipment. Yes, they do have beautiful home, car, equipment. But they didn't always. They also started like you and me. They also started somewhere. They also had the cheapy camera, the cheapy cell phone. They also didn't know how to use an edited software, or they would use a free software. I guess what I'm trying to say is, do not compare yourself to the big gun. I'm not saying that you cannot be a big gun. I'm saying not compare to other people. There's something unique about each of us. There's something unique about you, about me, about them. The only difference is that they embraced who they are. They embraced their personalities. They embraced their style. And while they learn how to use these items, these tools, these cameras, computers, software, while they learn how to do all that, they still kept their personality. And that made them special. That made them different. That made them attractive, sexy. And I think that's something that we lack. While it's true that you should look for inspiration, for motivation, for examples of what you want to do and who to follow, it's not okay to compare yourself to them or to copycat them. The battery is low. The final step is you gotta do something. Anything is better than nothing. And I mean this. I have over 300 videos right now on my YouTube channel. And to be honest with you, when I decided that I wanted to make videos for YouTube, I had no idea what I wanted to do. And to be honest with you, I still have no idea what I want to do with it. However, right now I feel I'm a lot closer to what I want to do in YouTube than when I had 0 subscribers. When I just created my Gmail account, I created my YouTube channel for the first time when I recorded that first video. And the reason why is because I did something. I feel that there's a lot of people watching this right now who they really want to do, whether it's YouTube, whether it's a business, whether it's anything, any goal that you have in your mind. I feel that they want to do it, they have the desire to do it, they really wish they could do it. They don't do it because they're scared, they're afraid, they are confused, they feel that they have the need to have all these things into place before you can even start doing any. Wait for things. Do something on Monday. Do something today. Start anything. Do anything. The first video that I recorded in YouTube is just that. It's my first video. It is still there. I don't even know what I talk about. It was an electronics review product or whatever it was. But if I wouldn't have made that first crappy, stupid video that I didn't care about, I would still be in that position where I would be sitting thinking, what am I gonna do with my YouTube channel? Like, do I want to create video logs? Do I want to do motivation? Do I want to create how-to guides? Do I want to do product reviews? The reality is this: I hate video logs. I think the video logs are stupid. I like watching Casey Neistat video log, Logan Paul's video log. Just kidding, I don't like that one. Just an example. I do like to watch people's video logs. However, after a while, I think this is just lame. I don't want to know what you do with your life. I want to know what I do with my life. People tell me that I make video logs, and I get it. I take it as a compliment. It's great. At the same time, it's like, this is stupid. I don't want to do this. Same as motivational speakers. I hate the stigma of, are you a motivational speaker? A lot of people have told me, I want to be a motivational speaker. I think that would be great. You know how much money they make per time? While I respect whomever that wants to do or wants to be a motivational speaker, I believe that they are overrated. I believe that it's an industry who shouldn't exist in the first place. You can't motivate other people if you don't give them an example of who you are and what you do. What I mean is mentors, people that are very successful in their careers, in their life, in their relationships, and whatever thing they do, they don't stand up in front of people and teach them what to do because they are happy. They don't need that. Now, most people like myself will approach them and tell them, could you teach me? Could you mentor me? Could you? It's very hard to find mentors. It's very hard to find people that are successful, that they know, and that they are willing to share it with you. I guess, okay, there's a lot of people, I believe that people are very nice and they're willing to help, most of them. So yeah, they might mentor you for a little bit, but to take it serious as a mentorship, it is very hard. I don't even know where I'm going with this. What I'm trying to say is, I don't want to be a video log. I don't want to be a motivational speaker. I don't want to review electronics. However, that doesn't stop me from making videos. That doesn't stop me from editing, from uploading, from creating a YouTube channel. I have over 1,000 subscribers. I have over 1,100 subscribers actually. And I achieved that by doing something. Yes, I review electronics. Yes, I talk about football, soccer, World Cup review. Yes, I went to Spanish, then I came back to English. Yes, I did video logs. I am doing sort of video logs, and sometimes I make videos like this. I still don't know what I want to do in the channel. I still have several ideas, thoughts about what I'm planning to do on YouTube, but like I said, right now I feel a lot closer to that goal 3-4 years ago when I started making YouTube videos. I hope you have a great week. Don't wait for all the lights to be green, because most likely that will never happen, my friend. Okay. Now I gotta go get a haircut.
How to get started on YouTube using somebody else's video.